Hi my dear children, how are you all? Yes, that's nice. I hope that you are all doing good. Is it children? Are you ready? Are you eager for today's class children? Super children, come on. Now we are going to learn mathematics subject. Are you ready to see the concepts now? Come on. In today's class we are going to learn what is the shape triangle. Yes. After that we are going to learn and write the numbers 36 to 40. Is it okay? Is it clear children? Come on, let's see the shape triangle. Okay, can you spell this? What is it? Triangle. Triangle. One more time. Okay, open your mouth and spell with me. Triangle. Triangle. Okay. Children, see this shape is known as triangle. See here a slanting line, one sleeping line, again a slanting line. Two slanting line and one sleeping line make this shape, and this is known as what? Triangle. Okay, look this shape careful. Okay, this is triangle shape. Children, tell me, have you ever seen things that looks like a triangle? Can you remember, Anjan? Have you ever seen things that look like a triangle, children? Don't worry, okay? We will see some real life example. Then you can identify and recognize things that look like a triangle, okay? Are you ready? Come on. Now we are going to see some real life examples for shape triangle. What is it? Can you name this? What is this, children? Yes, this is a birthday cap. Do you have birthday cap? When do we wear, children? Yes, while celebrating, especially celebrating birthday, we are used to wear birthday caps. No. Yes. Children, tell me how this looks like. Yes, this birthday cap looks like a triangle. Compare. This birthday cap looks like triangle. No. Very good. Next example. See here. What is it, children? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a slice of a piece of pizza. A slice of pizza. Okay, small piece of pizza. Okay, children, have you ever ate pizza? Okay. How it looks, children? Can you tell me? Yes, this piece of pizza looks like a triangle. Now compare these two, children. These are look similar. No, these are look like same. The pizza look like triangle. The next example. See here. What is this? Have you ever seen this? What is this? Let me tell. Okay, this is a hanger. Why we use? We use this to hang clothes like shirts, towel, sarees. Okay, children, in wardrobe we are using hangers to use to hang clothes. Okay, how it looks, children? How this hanger looks? Yes, this hanger looks like a triangle. Can you compare and tell? See? Yes, slanting line, sleeping line, again a slanting line. Yes, this hanger looks like a triangle. Very good. The next one. See what it is. Can you name this? Have you ever ate this fruit, children? Yes, this is a piece of which fruit? Watermelon. Very good. You are correct. This is a piece of small piece of fruit watermelon. Is this good or bad for our health, children? Yes, watermelon, the fruit watermelon is very good for our health because it contains more water. No. Very good. How it looks? Yes, it looks like a triangle. Compare. This piece of watermelon looks like what? Triangle. Can you see, children? Very good. One more. See. What is it? I think you are like this. What is it? Yes, this is ice cream cone. Have you ever ate? Yes. Don't eat frequently, okay? Often, rare you can eat. Children, now Very good. How it looks, children? Very good. You are correct. The Christmas tree looks like a triangle. Now compare. Look both. This Christmas tree look like triangle. Very good, children. Now I hope that you all got a clear idea about the shape triangle. Is it? Do you want to spell the triangle? Come on. Triangle. Triangle. This is a triangle shape. Okay, children. Now it's time to do some activities. Okay, are you ready? Be active and do the activity with interest. Okay, children. Let's see one by one. The first activity is observe and circle the things that look like a triangle. Okay, are you understood? Let me explain. Okay, see the screen. How many pictures are given to you? 5 pictures are given to you. Shall we name? Yes. What is it? Christmas tree. What is it? Apple. What is it? Hanger. What is it? Balloon. Do you like balloons? Yes, I do, children. What is this? Birthday cap. Very good. From these 5 pictures, you have to circle the things, only the things which are look like a triangle. Okay. Which pictures are look like triangle? Shall we see one by one? What is it? Christmas tree. Is it look like a triangle or not, children? Yes, you are correct. This Christmas tree looks like a triangle. Then what we have to? We have to circle it. Shall we go on to the next one? What is it? Apple. This is an apple. Is it look like a triangle or not? Recall the triangle shape and tell me the answer. Is it look like a triangle or not? No, no, no. This apple is not look like a triangle. No. What is it? This is a hanger. Already I said to you, no. Hanger is used to hang clothes like towels and shirts. No. Is it look like a triangle or not, children? Can you tell me? Yes. The hanger is also looks like a triangle. What we have to do? We have to circle it. Very good, children. Keep it up. What is this, children? Balloon. Is this balloon look like a triangle or not? Tell me. Recall the picture. Recall the triangle shape in your mind and tell me. No, no, no. This balloon is not look like a triangle. Shall we move to the next picture? What is this? Birthday cap. Is this birthday cap look like a triangle or not? Recall the triangle shape in your mind and tell me. Yes, yes, yes. This birthday cap look like a triangle. No. What we have to do? We have to circle this. Very good, children. I hope that you are all enjoyed this activity. Yes. Come on. One more interesting activity is for you. Yes. Now I hope that you are all going to enjoy this activity because this activity is full of tracing, drawing and coloring. Okay. Now what is this? Can you tell me? 2 slanting lines and 1 sleeping line. What is this? Can you name this shape? Yes, this is triangle. What is this? This is triangle. See here, small dashes are joined. Yes. Here we have to trace this triangle and color. Are you ready? To trace this triangle, you have to start from here. Okay, children. You have to join all the small dashes. Okay. Like this. Okay. First you have to trace this and you can get a 1 slanting line. Is it clear? Next start from here and join all these dots. Now you are got a sleeping line. Again you have to start from here and move along the small dashes. Now you are getting a slanting line. What is this? 2 slanting line and 1 sleeping line gives triangle. Yes, now we traced this triangle. Are you ready to color this? Come on, color this triangle. Yes, we are colored it. Now we are going to draw a triangle. How many dots are given, children? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 dots are given. By connecting this dot, we have to draw a triangle. Do you know how to draw a triangle? worry, okay? You have to start from this top point. Yes, first you have to join this dot and this dot by slanting line. Like this you have to join, okay? Next you have to join these two lines. You can get a sleeping line, okay? What we have to do next? Yes, we have to join these two dots by a slanting line. What we get? Now we draw a triangle. No. Now are you ready to color this triangle, children? Come on, color this triangle by blue color. Very good, super. Did you enjoy these activities? I hope that, children. Now I am going to give you a follow activity. Yes, children, after this class, you have some leisure period. No. When you have leisure period or free time, you take your numeracy skill book. What is this? This is your numeracy skill book and take page number 16. 16. See here, what are the things you can see here? Sun, mountains, house, boat. Okay. Can you see some dotted triangles are given to you? Yes, you have to trace all the triangles and color it. Okay, enjoy this activity. You can complete this activity when you have leisure or free time. Okay, children, very good. Now it's time to writing, children. Now we are going to write numbers 36 to 40. Are you ready? Take your note and pencil. Okay. Children, are you ready? Come on. Before start writing, as usual, let us recall the basic lines. Okay. Look here, children. What is it? Can you tell me? Yes, this is standing line. What is this? You are correct, children. This is sleeping line. Very good. What is this? Both are calling slanting line. No. Very good. What is it? This is left curve and this is right curve. No, children. Very good. Now are you ready to write the numbers 36 to 40? Is it very easy, children? Because we have already learned how to write the numbers 1 to 35. Yes, in the previous class we have learned to write numbers 31 to 35. Okay. Now we are practicing to write numbers 36 to 40. Okay. Listen and then write. Okay. Listen here. To write number 36, we have to write the number 3. After that, we have to write number what? 6. Okay. Already you all know how to write number 3. Yes, children. To write curves. To write number 6, start at the point. Okay. Start at the point. Put a left curve. Okay. Left curve like this and end up with a circle. Okay, children, like this you have to put number 6. 3 6 what? 36. To write number 3, put a right curve and start from here. Again you have to put a right curve. What is this? Number 3. 2 right curve gives number 3. Then next what we have to do? We have to write number 6. Only 2 simple steps. Start at a point. Slanting. Okay, slanting. You have to like this and put a circle. Okay, what is this? Number 6. No, 3 6 36. Already, children, you already know how to write the numbers 1 to 10. This is very easy. Okay, now are you ready to write number 36? Take your pencil, start writing. First write the number 3. Oh, write number 3 for the 2 right curves. Okay, write number 6. Start at a point, slanting. Okay, you have to put a left curve and you have to end up with the right curve. Okay, or circle. Okay, children, is it clear? Yes, by regular practice, you can write all these numbers correctly. No. What is this? Number 3, 2 right curves. Number 6, left curve, slanting and 1 circle or right curve. Okay, children, is it clear? Very good. Shall we move to number 37? number 37. 3 7 37. First we have to write number 3. After that what number? We have to write number 7. Okay children? Come on. To write number 3, first we have to put a right curve. And next from here we have to put one more right curve. No, this is number 3. 7, only simple 2 steps. Okay. First start from here and put a sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. And start from here and put a slanting line. What is this children? Slanting. Yes, this is slanting line. 3 7 37. First write number 3 for the 2 right curves we have to put. Next what? Number 7. First start at the point, sleeping line and one slanting line. No, what is it? Number 7. 3 7 37. Is it clear? Are you ready to write the number 37? First write the number 3 and then write the number 7. Okay, open your mouth and tell. 3 2 right curves. Number 3 and 7 sleeping line and slanting line. 7. Children, are you all writing? I hope that. Okay, write with me. 3 2 right curves and number 7 sleeping line and slanting line. 3 7 37. Like that you have to open your mouth and tell the numbers and then write. Okay, then only you can't forget. What is this? 3 8 38. 3 8 38. As usual, first write the number 3 and then write the number 8. Okay. Now I hope that you are all clear and you are all know how to write number 3 perfectly. Is it? Yes. Move on to number 8. To write number 8, start from here. Put S. Okay. What is this? Letter S. And then join this point to this. Okay. Like this. Okay children? What is this? Letter S. From here, first one left curve and one right curve. Okay, left curve and right curve. This makes letter S. No. And then you have to join this point to this. Okay children, slowly you have to join. Is it clear? Listen one more time. Number 3 you already know. To write number 8, first put on left curve and continue with the right curve. Okay, letter S. And join this point and this. Okay. What is this? Number 8. Okay. Keep practice. By regular practice only you can write the numbers correctly. Okay children. Now are you ready? Come on, try. Try with me. Number 3. It is very easy. 2 right curves. Number 8. Listen and write. Okay. Left curve and continue with the right curve. Okay. Are you writing? Come on. And join these 2 points. What it is? Number 8. 3 8 38. Right children. Okay. Write with me. 3 2 right curves. For number 8, left curve, continue with the right curve. Okay, or put letter S and join 2 points, remaining 2 points. What is this? Number 8. Okay, 3 8 38. Is it clear? Shall we move to number? Next number, what is this? 3 9 39. This is very simple. Okay, already we are all known. Number 3, 2 right curves. Okay. To write number 9, start at the point, put a left curve, small left curve. Again start at the here, one standing line. What is this? One left curve and standing line makes number 9. 3 9 39. Open your mouth, tell and write. Okay. 3 left curve and one standing line 9. 3 9 39. Like this you have to open your mouth children. Open your mouth and tell and then write. Okay. Left right curves 2 times. Number 3 and number 9. Left curve and one standing line. 3 9 39. Open slanting line. Next start from here and put a sleeping line. Next start from here and put a standing line. What is this? 4. Only 3 simple steps. Okay, listen carefully. Okay. Then what is this, children? Number 0. Yes, start at the point, left curve and complete it with the right curve. Okay, it looks like how it looks. It looks like an egg. Is it, children? How the number 0 looks? The number 0 looks like an egg. Okay, look like an egg. Write with me. To write number 40, first we have to write 4. After that we have to write number 0. Okay, children? Slanting, next sleeping, and start from here and put a standing line. Okay, to write 0, please think of an egg and write. Okay, how an egg looks like this. Okay, very good. Write, children. Open your mouth and tell the number and then write. 40 what? 40. Slanting line, sleeping line, and one standing line. Number 4 and 0. Like this you have to put number 0. 40, 40. Children, now I hope that you are all clear with number 36 to 40. Keep practice to write the numbers 36 to 40. Okay, children? Per day, once a day you have to write number 1 to 10. Okay, children? Take care of your health. Be safe at home. Okay, children? Bye, children.